Hola chavales! After talking last time about the verb ser and estar, today we're going to talk about some adjectives that differs when used with these two verbs. So let's start to it. El verbo ser and estar con adjetivos. Ser listo is to be smart, but if you say estar listo, it's to be ready. So soy listo, I am smart. Estoy listo, I am ready now to go. Ser bueno is to be good, to be a good person. Estar bueno is to be delicious or to be sexy. We see this with the verb rico, estar rico, to be sexy and delicious as well. But ser rico is to be rich. So be careful. Ser malo is to be a bad person. Estar malo is to be sick. I'm not feeling well. Estoy malo. Ser interesado. Ser interesado is someone that is egoist, that thinks of always of himself, that wanna do something that only suits him. So this person es interesado. But estar interesado means I'm interested in something. Like estoy interesado en lo que me está diciendo. Ser aburrido is to be something to be boring. La sección es aburrida. But estar aburrido is to be bored. Like for example, estoy aburrido en la clase de mates. If you want to say someone is boring, you say esa persona es aburrida. But if that person is bored, we use with the verb estar. So be careful. Ser cachondo. When you say something is cachondo, algo es cachondo, is funny. It makes you laugh, it makes you smile, it's funny. But when you say estar cachondo, it means to be horny. So you have to make to be careful when making these two verbs, because estar cachondo differs a lot from ser cachondo. Ser atento, to be a nice person. When someone is atento, it's like he's nice, he can help you out in anything. But estar atento, it means that you are focused. You are listening very well, like you should be in this video. The next round is ser moreno. Ser moreno is like a characteristic, someone who has dark hair. But estar moreno is someone that spent the summer on the beach and got a good tan. So after a 2 months summer, I can say estoy moreno, like I am now tan. But this person es moreno or es morena, it means that she was born that way. Ser orgulloso is to be arrogant, to always think that you are better than anyone else. Estar orgulloso, it means to be proud. Estoy orgulloso de vosotros, porque estáis viendo este video. Ser verde is, we're talking about a color, like to be green. This color is green, es verde. Estar verde, however, is to be young, to be unexperienced, to be unripe in something. Like you don't have an experience at work, we say, esa persona está verde. Ser claro. Ser claro is that you have something light, like it's light colored, it's light, it's pale bit, es claro. But está claro, estar con estar, it means that something is clear. Por ejemplo, ¿está claro la explicación o no? Si la explicación no está claro, podéis preguntarme en Instagram. If the explanation wasn't clear, you can, guys, ask me on Instagram some questions or in the comment sections on YouTube. And don't forget to contact me there if you want the booklet or if you want any other services. Well, see you guys in another video. Ciao!